guys, welcome to another episode of AP Bassin. I'm fishing a river today in Wisconsin, and we just started. I put my bass rods away for the weekend. I'm going for a king salmon. I'm just using an egg-sucking leech and it's a Orvis fly reel and some cheap generic fly rod. But I'm using I'm just using 17-pound floral. It's cheaper than buying leader material and all that. And hopefully we'll get into some nice kings and some steelhead and maybe even a brown. So stay tuned and thanks. Pretty good one. I'd say probably about 15 pounds. Get a weight on him. He's gonna die anyways. Well, I broke my St. Croix rod and trying to catch this fish. He kind of made a run and snapped, so it's all good. Whatever.
What's the scale say?
Oh wow.
12.
13, 14, 11? It's around 12 pounds. Hold him up.
He's a big one. Nice one.
Alright, we'll get back to you. Alright guys, welcome back. Took into a fish. He seems to have 3 or 4 flies in him. He actually bit this in the mouth.
He's the one to catch.
Yep, this is going to be good because I lost a lot of flies on this fish. It's a really nice looking fish. Alright, stay tuned for more.
Quick release.
Again.
Another nice one. They've been destroying it on the green 8-hook. Move down river a bit. There seems to be a lot more action down here. Good fish.
Nice. Alright.
Nice episode. You can see.
Scared him.
Some golfers up there.
Alright, caught this nice female on an egg-sucking leech in orange corn.
In the mouth.
Go for the release.
The rod between the legs. Grab the thing.
Hold it up. Just takes it into a really nice one on a purple fly and purple body, black fly with a pink head. That fly is available at Chicago Fly Shop. It's in Chicago. It's pretty much the only stop in Chicago for good fly fishing gear if you're into fly fishing. Like, I only fly fish once a year, but I always gotta stop there before my trip. Oh, good one. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Slippery.
In the mouth?
Oh, he's
He's a nice one.
Matt's got my rod. I'm just trying to actually get the hook out of his mouth. Alright. It's pretty cold, this water. So.
Probably 18 pounds, huh?
Pretty good one.
Biggest one for you this trip?
No. I don't know if it's 18, yeah.
Oh, it's probably around there. It's nice. Fly comes right out.
Nice fish right there. Go for the release. It's a big male. I saw him come up and hit the fly, so stay tuned for more.
For the release.